Namaskaram. In this video we are going to talk about scanning the inner aura. Once you have scanned the outer aura and the health aura, then just continue with scanning the inner aura. Inner aura is usually having the thickness of 5 inch for a normal person. So you can scan the inner aura with one hand, or you can also use both the hands while scanning the inner aura like this, or you can only use the one hand or both the hands. So after you felt the pressure of the health aura, then continue with scanning. Just continue, move a little bit forward, slowly move your hands a little bit, and when you will be reaching around the thickness of 5 inches away from your subject, you might feel the pressure, more pressure, because inner aura is more thick. You will feel the more pressure. While scanning the outer aura, you will feel less pressure than health aura, bit more pressure than outer aura. But when you scan the inner aura, it's very easy to feel the inner aura. It's comparatively very easy to feel inner aura than outer aura and the health aura. You will feel the more pressure, so you can either scan with the both hands also when you keep moving. So while doing the scan of inner aura, you should scan from head to foot. You should scan back side also, you should scan left side also, right side also. For example, I was scanning a client, so I scanned both side of the ears like this. I was scanning. So when I was scanning like this, so I felt that one side was like normal, like 5 inches, but one side was having depletion like 2 inches. So I felt like aura like this. Here it was okay, normal. Other one was like depletion. So I asked the client, okay, what's the problem? So I was told that the this part where there is a lot of depletion, that this ear is having hearing problem, so not able to hear properly from this ear. It's like almost deaf from that ear. So while making your interpretation, you can make the interpretation. So when you scan the inner aura, you should not give too much time near this heart chakra, near this heart area, because heart chakra is very sensitive. So heart area, don't give much time, because you can just by mistake even energize this, right? So but we don't energize the heart area, so don't put so much focus in while you are scanning. Just move your hands fastly from heart area, and when you scan, give very much attention to the spine, because it is found in most of the cases either there is depletion or congestion in the spine area. And while doing the inner scan, ask your inner or scan, ask your client to, well, suppose you are scanning the throat chakra, this chakra here, this throat part, ask your client to move the chin little bit up, then like this. If suppose you are scanning like this, so the aura of the chin can camouflage, can interfere with the aura of the throat chakra. And suppose you are scanning the lungs area, so when you scan the lung area, you should be more careful. Try to scan the lungs from the back side, because if you scan the lungs from the front side, so in both the nipples we have nipple minor chakra, so the energy of nipple minor chakra can interfere with the energy of your when you're feeling, it can interfere with the energy of these lungs. So it's better to scan from back side. The advanced healers, they can differentiate usually. They can differentiate usually between from the energy of nipple chakras and energy of lungs. Or even in the primary level, in your beginner level, you can use two finger techniques. You can just use 2 fingers to feel the aura. So so for this you need to sensitize both these 2 chakras to feel the aura of this area. Suppose you want to feel aura here also, you can just use like this 2 fingers technique you can use. So this part is, here we have Ajna chakra. I will be discussing later about all these chakras separately in detail. So while scanning the lungs, you can use 2 fingers also to scan the lungs, not using the whole hand, just to avoid the aura of your, avoid the energy of your nipple chakras. Then you should scan sideways also, left side, right side, sideways also you should scan while scanning the lungs, right? And because of the emotions, the solar plexus chakra gets very much affected, so you should also give a lot of attention to solar plexus chakra also while scanning the chakras. Thank you.